Have you ever struggled to keep your projects on track? Today, we will show you how Jira can make your life easier and transform the way you manage tasks. Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. We are going to cover one of the most essential tools in project management, that is Jira. In this video, we will go over the fundamentals of Jira, a brief idea of Agile methodology, understand what exactly Jira is, how it fits with Agile methodology, its key components and benefits. Let's dive in. Before we delve into Jira, let's briefly discuss the Agile methodology. It is a popular project management approach that focuses on delivering work in small, manageable pieces with continuous improvement and adaptability. Agile promotes collaboration, flexibility, and regular feedback, making it ideal for dynamic environments, especially in software development. Jira is designed with Agile in mind, providing powerful tools that perfectly align with Agile practices like Scrum and Kanban, allowing teams to plan, track, manage their work effectively. With Jira, Agile teams can visualize workflows, break down tasks, and track progress, ensuring they stay on course while maintaining the flexibility to pivot when needed. Now, we got a brief idea on Agile. Let's see how Jira aligns with these principles. So, what exactly is Jira? Jira is a project management tool developed by Atlassian. It was originally designed for tracking software bugs, but over the years, it has evolved into a versatile platform that can manage any type of project. It can be used from planning and scheduling to tracking the process and reporting the results in real time. It is a powerful tool that helps in staying organized and on track. Whether tracking software development, project management, or marketing campaign, and managing the team's tasks, Jira effectively supports them. So now let's see how Jira fits in with Agile methodology. Jira is widely known for its compatibility with Agile methodology like Scrum and Kanban. In Scrum, teams work in short cycles called sprints. In Agile methodology, a sprint is a time frame typically lasting 2 to 4 weeks, during which a team focuses on completing a set of work. Jira makes it easy to plan a sprint, track tasks during the sprint, and review the progress once the sprint is completed. In contrast, Kanban is focused on a continuous flow of work without time boxing. Jira's Kanban board allows us to visualize the progress of tasks as they move from to do to in progress and finally done. These boards are dynamic and customizable, letting us adapt Jira to our team's unique workflow. Now, to understand how Jira works, it's important to know its key components. Let's understand it stepwise. The first step in Jira is selecting the right project template. Jira offers various templates based on the type of project we are managing. We have software development templates like Scrum for teams working in sprints and Kanban for continuous delivery. There are also business templates such as task management for general tasks and service management templates like ITSM for managing IT services. Choosing the right template configures our project's key components like issue types, workflow, board, and reports. Let's talk about the next step, that is projects. Project in Jira is like a container that holds everything from issues to configuration. Each project can be customized to fit our needs with its own permissions and workflows. It could be a software project, a marketing campaign, or anything that requires coordination. Once our project is set up, the next step in Jira is handling issues. Issues are the core work items in Jira, like bugs, tasks, stories, or epics, and we can create, assign, prioritize, and track them. Each issue follows a workflow that defines its life cycle from to do, in progress, to done. We can even customize workflow to suit our team's progress. Next are boards. These are the virtual tools that help teams track progress. Scrum boards are designed for teams working in sprints, which is a fixed period to complete specific activity, while Kanban boards are for continuous flow. In a Scrum project, we will also work with a backlog, which are prioritized list of tasks for future sprints. Lastly, we have reports. Jira offers insights with charts like burn down chart, velocity chart, and cumulative flow diagrams, and various other charts and graphs to monitor team performance and track progress. Let's understand about the few important benefits of Jira. Jira can be integrated with a wide range of tools and technologies, whether we want to work with other project management tools or Visual Code Studio or any development tool. Jira is highly customizable, which means it can be tailored to meet specific needs of our team. It helps us to create custom fields, workflows, and dashboards. Additionally, we can also build custom plugins and integrations. One of the key features of Jira is that we can create, manage, and track all kind of issue types in a project all in one place. Jira also provides us with a wide range of reporting and visualization tools, which helps us to see how the team is performing and make informed decisions about where to focus our efforts. That wraps up the basics of Jira. Jira is a powerful tool, and once we get the hang of it, it will help us to manage our projects and tasks like a pro. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.